Hey guys, today we're opening another package from Temu. And you guys already know that I was not the one who ordered it, so I have no idea what's inside. Okay, let's get into it now. It feels so weird and squishy. Okay, let's do it. Go. Hey, come on, open. Alright, candles. Come on. Oh, what is this? I don't want to look at it, but I can't get it. Oh, scissors here. This thing, I think it's for the bathtub. What is these? Oh wait, they're the fans, aren't they? I have to open it. How can I not open this? I'm Thanos. Okay. That's it. I'm just gonna use my Thanos powers. Ducky! I don't know what these are.
It's a little air freshener for on the vent of your car.
What the? I thought this was for the bath. It looks so real. Yeah. Okay, next thing. What is this? Oh my god! Why so many kitchen stuff? Yeah, boy. Alright. Huh?
Hold it up, show what it is. Do you turn it around? Do you realize what it is?
It's a dinosaur. I just threw a duck. Okay, let's do it. Next thing. What is this? Alright, let's do it. Oh no. 1 second, guys. Cowabunga. What is this? Oh, it's a bracelet.
It's a scrunchie for your hair, so you can have teddy bear
This
hair.
is the best thing ever. I love it. Okay, get it out of here. Alright, let's do the next thing. This is so cute. I love it. I need to open it now. Yep, we're in it now. Hey. Next thing. Ow. You gotta love these. You gotta love these.
You have it upside down.
Huh? It's a dinosaur!
No, it's a kitty butt cookie cutter. So Daddy can look at buttholes of kitties on his cookies.
No, that's it. You get it. Oh, what is it? No. What is this? Rip the booty. Yes, I need this. Let me stand up. What is this? What is this?
It's a bowl of ramen blanket.
I love it! Get that out of here. Okay. No. Nothing else in here. That's all for today's video.